So yeah, I kind of did a thing. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and as you can see, I did a thing with the car, but she's put back together. As you can see, you know, she's not torn apart anymore. But the thing about it is, I was trying to do some routine maintenance on the car. Basically what I was doing, what you saw in the beginning of the video, was me changing the signal light bulbs on the car. Well, in order to do that, you have to take apart the front bumper to be able to pull out the headlights. For a task that should be something simple to do, is really tedious what you have to do as far as taking apart the front bumper. I was going to do a whole video on that, show you guys how to do that, but what happened was the bulbs for my headlights, the part where you plug the headlights in and the signal light bulbs don't work. So what I have to do is get a whole new headlight assembly basically for the front of the car, which I probably should do anyway. I want to upgrade them to the old 3 and up model headlight. Same thing with the tail lights. I wanted to upgrade the tail lights as well. That's something that I should probably do regardless. As far as like the signal light bulbs in these cars, it has a metal connection instead of wires on the back of the headlight. So basically what you would do is you would take the bulb socket that you put the headlight bulb in and you would push it in and twist it. And that's how it connects. There's no wires to plug in and out. Basically, when it comes to signal lights, same thing with the tail lights, there's no wires to plug in and out. It basically has, if you look at it, it has a metal piece that goes from the light down to the connector that actually connects to the whole unit, as far as the whole headlight unit itself. What basically happens with these cars is that it gets corroded and it stops working. So I've seen videos where people will put pieces of copper, flatten them out and round them out so that it'll fit. I tried that, didn't work. What I'm going to have to do is get a whole new headlight assembly. I seen there were recalls on these headlights, but I don't think it was specifically for this car or for the headlights. In other cars, I think it was the E classes and some C classes had the same issue. And what they did was they recalled it, made a hardwire unit where you did have a wire that would go to the headlight and fix this issue. But for some reason on the CL classes, they didn't do that. This is basically what we're stuck with. Now, there are ways that you can basically hardwire it. That might be an option to look at, but I've always wanted to upgrade the headlights on this car anyway. So that's something that I might do. But yeah, that's what's going on with the car right now. Like I said, she's put back together. She still runs strong. What I've been doing is just trying to go over the car, like routine maintenance, and just see what all she needs. One thing that I'm planning on doing is redoing the valve covers, because as a lot of you seen, they're pretty beat up. Well, not beat up, but the paint on them makes them look beat up. So what I'm probably going to be doing sometime in the near future is replacing the valve covers and repainting them, but doing it the right way. Because the first time I did it, I was just learning about this car, didn't know too much about it, and I didn't really paint the valve covers the right way, so that's something that I'm going to change. As far as future plans with the car, I mean, I've got plenty of ideas what I want to do. I've been looking at other engines to buy for the car, like maybe upgrading it to a 55 or a 600, even the V12. You know, that's a lot of work. You have to pull the motor, transmission, wiring harness. It's a whole ordeal. If I go that route, it's going to be a belt motor. It's not just going to be a stock motor that I'm putting in the car. I'm definitely going to be putting, if I go that route, definitely going to be going turbo, twin turbo, most likely. There are other plans that I have. It's just timing and being able to execute them, because I am in a small garage, so it's not like I have a shop like you see some YouTubers have. So I'm limited on pretty much what I could do here. And then there's also the money factor where the stuff isn't cheap, not a cheap hobby. I'm just giving you guys an update, letting you know what's been going on with the car. You know, she's still a beautiful car, still running great. Love this pillarless design, it's classic. I definitely want to redo the wheels, because the wheels are pretty beat up. The rims, I mean. I love these style rims on these cars. So that's something I'm definitely going to be doing, because it has a lot of road rash. I don't know what happened in this car's former life before it got to me, but this car is pretty beat up. Like some of you guys know that's been there from the beginning know, I got this car from a tow yard. So this car didn't come off a dealership lot. It was pretty much beat up, neglected, and slowly but surely I've been bringing this car back to life. Yeah, motor swap might be in the future plans down the road. Something I'm looking at, maybe a twin turbo V8 if I don't do a supercharged V8, or we can even do the twin turbo V12 if I want to go really crazy with it. But I'm gonna have options. There's a lot of things I could do with this car. I know a lot of you purists out there are gonna go crazy for me doing that, but you know, it is what it is. Can't make everybody happy. But that's it for right now, guys. I just want to give you a quick update, let you know what's going on, let you guys know the car is still here. She's still running. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and crank her up for you guys real quick. All right, so we got the keys. We're gonna go ahead and crank this car up and let you guys see she still runs pretty good. I love the way she sounds. It's not like every other cookie cutter Mercedes, so that's why I like it. I always like to be different. Let's go ahead and get in this car. Start her up. Here we go. It's not exactly a cold start because I already took her out today, drove her around. She runs. Got plenty of plans for the car, just timing, you know. Let me get back to making videos for you guys because there are a few things that I want to do to this car that I need to upgrade, and not even really upgrade, just little things here and there that I need to fix. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing in the next month or two. You know, the end of the year is coming, so I'm trying to push out a couple more videos for the end of the year. Getting the trunk fixed, the automatic feature for the trunk, that's something I definitely want to get fixed. At least the pop button, so this way I can pop the trunk instead of using the key all the time if I don't get the automatic opener fixed. Really need to get this car detailed and clean, especially the interior. Been a while since I did it, but just a few things here and there. Nothing really major with the car that I need to get fixed, because I pretty much have all that part sorted out, as you've seen in the videos that I put out. Other than that, guys, that's it for now. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It helped me out a lot. I'm trying to get over 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get to the point where I can get this channel monetized. And if I do start making money on this channel, projects start coming along a whole lot faster, a whole lot quicker, and a whole lot crazier. So definitely have plans for this car, but it's just, like I said, it's timing and money. And right now, time and money is the issue. So, but until then, I can start investing the money into this car. I have to put it other places. We'll try to get videos out to you as quickly as I can. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know when I put out videos. If you're not subscribed, just hit the subscribe button. I mean, I greatly appreciate it. It'll help me out a lot. So until next time, guys, I'm out.